Hello everybody, I'm StockShare and today we're going to be doing some analysis of Biogen stock. We'll look at Biogen's business, Biogen's sector and evaluate its financials. At the end of the video, I'll give my thoughts on whether Biogen is a buy. If it is, I'll say what price rise I'd be targeting to sell at, but if I don't think it's a buy, I'll say what price it would have to drop down to become interesting. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give me a like and subscribe. It lets me know that I'm doing a good job. I make new videos every week. I evaluate all my stocks using the StockShare dashboard, which you can use for free. Just follow the link in the description below. It highlights awesome undervalued companies like Kraft Heinz, which has gone up 12% since I did a value analysis video on it just last month. So, let's get into our analysis of Biogen. Biogen has a ticker code of BIIB and sits in the healthcare sector. It's got a huge market cap of $72 billion. And the share price has recently shot up 20% and is currently lying at $348. First off, the healthcare sector is a good, safe industry. As an investor, you know that there's no danger of the healthcare sector collapsing anytime soon. Biogen's main area of business is delivery of therapies for the treatment of neurodegenerative, hematological and autoimmune diseases. It's well known that neurodegenerative conditions are on the rise, so any company which is aiming to treat this condition is likely to have a stable future. Let's analyse Biogen's share price value. Biogen's recent share price rise has left it with a pretty high price to earnings ratio of 24.8, although this is about average for the sector as a whole, which is quite highly priced. It's got a price to book ratio of 5.2, again seemingly high, but around average for the sector. Unfortunately, Biogen hasn't paid out a dividend. Overall, that leaves it with a somewhat unsatisfactory result for the value measures, but let's see what else Biogen has to offer, starting with Biogen's annual growth rate over the last 5 years. Revenue has steadily increased by 6.8% per year. Profit has seen an average decrease of 13% per year, but that's mainly due to the $1.2 billion drop from 2016 to 2017. We can see from the chart that there is an overall trend of rising profit for the past 5 years. Equity has seen nice continual growth of around 11.4% per year. Overall, that's not a bad set of growth rates, but the recent drop in profit isn't very comforting. Let's go to the final check now and look at Biogen's core strength. This is where Biogen does very well. We have a strong return on equity of 20.1%, as well as a great profit margin of 20.7%. The debt to equity level is also quite reasonable at 0.88, so Biogen shouldn't be at risk of future debt issues, which of course should allow it to reinvest heavily in research and development, which is so crucial for the healthcare companies. So, from the analysis we've seen, is Biogen a buy? We've seen that the stock is highly valued. Its recent sharp increase has seen it rise to a PE of 24.8 and a PB of 5.2. Along with no dividend, Biogen fails the value test. The growth rates are reasonable, nothing to get too excited about, but everything is generally heading in the right direction. Biogen just about passes the growth test. Biogen is a very profitable business with low levels of debt. It smashes the business strength test. With only 2 of the 3 tests passed, I wouldn't recommend Biogen as an investment right now, but it's a great company in a stable market. Its recent price rise has put it just out of reach, but I would be seriously looking at this company if its price dropped around 30% to say $243. That sounds like a big drop, but never underestimate the stock market. I do all my analysis using the StockShare dashboard. You can use it for free as well. There's a link in the description. Check out my last value stock pick, Kraft Heinz. It's up 12% already. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and carry on analysing.